Hi! In this video, I'm going to give you a tour through Power Automate, the application of Microsoft 365 that we use for process automation. So let's open our browser and go to office.com. This is the place where you will find all Microsoft 365 applications, and therefore it's a great place to find Power Automate. So if we go to the top left waffle icon here and we open it, you see that all the applications show up. And amongst them is an application called Power Automate. When we click on that, a new tab will open and we will enter Power Automate. So we're now in Power Automate. And today in this tour, I'm going to show you the top 6 things in this menu. The rest you won't need right now. It's more for intermediate processes and not yet very relevant. But feel free to look through, of course, in your own time. So here on the left, we have a home. And in the home screen, you can immediately create a new flow. Or there are some learnings from Microsoft. So Microsoft has its own learning platform as well. And so if you want to improve specific skills within Power Automate, feel free to go there. Then there is some more information, Power Automate, and also some updates on new functionalities. And this can be nice to keep updated on because there might be new features being released that you might want to use. So up here we have an approvals category. And approvals is a type of flow, so a type of process automation. Today, we're not going to yet look at approvals, but it's good to know that you can find it here. Under My Flows, you will find all the flows that you've made in the past, your cloud flows, which we will be doing in this training, your desktop flows, which we won't be doing in this training, but there is a video about the difference between desktop flows and cloud videos in this training. Then there are the flows that are shared with me, which means that other people created a flow and then shared it with you. And so you will be able to find them under here. Then up top, you can search through your flows, which is quite important because unfortunately, Power Automate doesn't allow you yet to put flows in a folder or to categorize them or to structure them. You can't even select on which column you want to sort. So can be a little bit hard to find once you have a lot of different flows and it can get quite messy. So the search tab here is very handy. Up here, you can create a new flow, but you can also import flows that you've created before. Maybe you've created them in another environment. You can import them here and then make them your cloud flow for this environment. Then there's the create, which will be probably the one that you'll be entering most in this training. And in the next video, I'm going to tell you all about these triggers. So the start from blank basically means you're going to start a flow from scratch and you can select one trigger and then choose your actions. But you can also go and start from a template. And that's exactly what the next category here will show you. So there are a lot of pre-made templates that Power Automate has already created for us that we can just select. We can also search through. So let's say you want to build an approval flow. You can select here and look through all the templates that are already preset for you. And then all the steps for this flow are already added. The only thing you have to do is configure them. So this might be a nice thing to do to try and just select one and see if you can create something that's relevant. Then here in connectors, you will see all the type of connectors that are available right now for creating process automation. You will see that there's Outlook, SharePoint, OneDrive, Forms, Planner, Teams. These are the ones we'll use most. But there are also other things that you can connect with, like Twitter, weather, Gmail, and also a lot of outside applications. When you see the premium button under it, it means that it's a premium connector and you will need another license to use them. This is typically the situation if you're working with external applications. So Adobe is not part of the Microsoft suite, and therefore it's logical that you would need a uh, uh, premium connector to use the Adobe connection.